Today is November 16, 2024. Punta kami sa Black Hawk. Tara!
Before going to the museum near the place, we bought some foods.
Oh, dito na tayo.
Kanina nung inanong sa direction dito.
Hello guys! Hi! Hello! We are here now at the Black Hawk Museum. Welcome back to my channel guys. We are here now at the Black Hawk Museum.
Well, we're so excited to have you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Is this everybody's first time?
Yes. What a nice car, Mateo. Look. This one, oh? Yeah. 1953. Wow, it looks good.
Manufacturer who partnered with Healey out of the UK. So basically Nash sent all the parts from the United States to Healey in the UK where they built the car, put it all together. Then they sent it from UK to Healey over to Italy to Pininfarina to be bodied. So basically Nash sent the parts to Healey, Healey built the running gear, the chassis, everything, and then Healey sent it to Pininfarina in Italy to actually build the body over the car. So basically by the time it got back to the United States, it was more expensive than the Chevrolet Corvette that had just come out, and unfortunately these didn't really sell too well because of the cost, because of the three stops before making it back to the United States to hit the dealership floors. And like I said, at that point the Corvette was already out in production and had been released and just outsold the Nash Healey.
Mateo, stand up there. I'm gonna take a picture of you. Ay, wait. Video pala.
Guys, we visited first the Don
Williams Automobile Gallery. Wow! Look at the cars! Oh my! Wow! Look at this! This is 2022 Ferrari. Ganda!
2020.
Oo. Grabe, oh, ganda. Ano na yan? Di kuryente. Ano na to? Oo. Okay, this one is Mach-E 2 Wedge. 1967. How do I pronounce this? Mach-E. Wow, it's so... 48, oh. Chevrolet Delahaye Cabriolet. Oh, wow.
Kaya ako ng record na.
This is 1948 Cadillac. Ayan. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at this. This is Chrysler Imperial 1931 model. Oh my goodness. Million siguro halaga.
Why can't you take a video of your feet? Why can't you take a video of your feet?
94. 135 miles per hour.
1934.
Mhm. 133.
Lincoln Continental Cabriolet. This one is, eto naman ay ganda, 1933 Packard 1004 Super 8 7-passenger sedan. This is Ferrari 1986 model. Look at the Ferrari 1986 model. Ayan, 1986 model at Ferrari 1981 model. This one. Yan. 1957 Mercedes-Benz. Yan ang 1957 model. Ito naman 1955 Mercedes-Benz. How do you pronounce that one? Mercedes-Benz? Mercedes-Benz? I don't know. Ayan, 1955. Di pa ako pinapanganak niyan. Pero ang ganda, grabe oh. My goodness, it's so beautiful. Pandalawahan lang yan, pag magjowa lang yan. Ferrari 2020. Ayan. Ito naman ay Ferrari 2015. And this one is Ferrari 2014. And this one is Ferrari 2020. And there is Matteo. And that one is Ferrari 2017. Ayan. Oh, see? You can see the difference. That is 2017 Ferrari. Yung mga bicycle. 1952, ayan. Very rare yan. Ayan ang bicycle nung araw. Columbia ang tatak. Ganda. So, ito naman yung motorsiklo. 1938. Ayan. Motorcycle. Yan. Yan ang motorcycle nung araw. 1938. Tapos, ito naman yung anong tawag dito? Ayan, yung karwahe. Yan ang karwahe. Paano ba pinapaandar yan? Okay? Ito pa isang karwahe. Pang mayaman. Ayan. Siguro umaandar siya by means of steam. No? Ayan, 1910. Stanley steamer. Siguro steam ang nagpapaandar dyan. Parang parang yung mga barko. Ganun. May steam. Ito, ganda. This model is 1916. Ayan. Ganda. Ito naman guys ay 1938 model. Bugatti. Ay naku, hindi ko alam kung paano pinopronounce yan. Bugatti. That's Bugatti. Yan. So, 1938 model. Ito naman, itong isa ay, ayan, ang pangalan niya ay, ang model, year model in 1935. Yan. Siya ay Hispano Suiza K9. Yan siya. So, ito naman, yung likod ng yan. Yung pangalan nito, anong model to? Grabe. It's too nice. So, this one is model 1937. That one. Ito ay ano siya, Hispano Suiza K6 1939. So parang kahawig din ng isa. Kasing edad ko to, 1956 Jaguar. Wow, ayan oh, ganda oh. Ayan, kasing age ko yan. Ayan, pinanganak ako 1956. This one 1939. Ayan siya, 1939. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Ito guys, 1932. Rolls Royce Phantom 2. Wow, it's so... Look at that. (1931). Ford Thunderbird. This one is 1947 Chrysler. And this one is Mercury 1950. This one is Ford 1939. This one is 1951 Studebaker. And this one is Corvette. Look at the Corvette. 1961 model. Chevrolet.